Greetings and welcome to this channel. Today I'm sharing with you a super refreshing and incredibly simple drink that you can make in just minutes. This easy strawberry juice recipe uses only 2 ingredients plus water, and it's naturally sweet, fresh, and perfect for any time of the day. If you have some strawberries at home and want a quick homemade drink without any complicated steps, you're going to love this recipe. It's light, delicious, and a great alternative to store-bought juices. Let's get started and make this fresh homemade strawberry juice together. We're going to put half cup of sugar. I'm putting less. You can put more or less. It depends on your taste. We're going to add 1 liter of water. I'm going to mix it well and turn the heat on medium. In the meantime, we're going to wash our strawberries with water and some vinegar. I'm going to continue cutting the strawberries and wait for the syrup to cool off, and then we're going to blend everything together. I'll come back after I'm done. Now let's put our strawberries in the blender. And then I'm going to add the syrup I made earlier. Let's pour it in our carafe and continue blending the rest. I'm going to put the rest in this bottle. Here is a funnel. Our homemade strawberry juice is ready. I'm going to put it in the fridge. If you enjoyed this easy strawberry juice recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my simple and delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe and how it turned out for you. And feel free to share this video with your friends and family or with someone who loves fresh homemade drinks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.